Dear students, welcome. Today we will start Unit 5 Surface Chemistry of Class 12. And first topic is adsorption. What is adsorption? The phenomenon of attracting and retaining the molecules of a substance on the surface of a liquid or solid, resulting into higher concentration of molecules on the surface. It is a surface phenomenon. It is like gases comes on the surface of liquid or solid and accumulate. There is increase in concentration of adsorbate molecules on the adsorbent. So two terms related to this are adsorbate and adsorbent. It is like a solution in which solute and solvent are exist. So come to the point, adsorbate. The substance adsorbed on the surface is called adsorbate. जो substance आते हैं surface पर accumulate हो रहे हैं that is adsorbate. जिस पर आते हैं that are adsorbent. Adsorbent, the substance on which adsorbate is adsorbed. Adsorbate क्या हो रहे हैं? Adsorbed is called adsorbent. Next term is our desorption. De means removal. The removal of adsorbed substance from the surface of adsorbent, that is known as desorption. Next term is occlusion. The adsorption of gases on the surface of metal is known as occlusion. That means gases accumulated on the surface of metal is known as occlusion. That you know one example from your class 10th and 11th, that is hydrogenation, addition of hydrogen on the surface of metal in presence catalyst, that is hydrogen, in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium. Similarly, adsorption of gases on the surface of metal, that term is known as occlusion. Next term is absorption. Adsorption is a surface phenomenon, but absorption is a bulk phenomenon. It is the phenomenon in which a substance is uniformly distributed all over the surface. पूरे surface में equally distributed होता है. That is absorption. Next term is sorption. When adsorption and absorption both takes place simultaneously, it is known as sorption. Next are examples of adsorption. First, water vapor is adsorbed by silica gel, whereas it is adsorbed by calcium chloride. You see new lunch box and water bottle. There is one small packet that contains silica gel. Small transparent balls you have seen in that packet. That is of silica gel. Same is there. उसमें क्या बन जाता है? जो लंच बॉक्स होता है इसके अंदर मॉइस्चर क्रिएट हो जाता है. उसे जो है प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए हम क्या डालते हैं उसके अंदर? सिलिका जेल. बिकॉज इट एब्जॉर्ब्ड वाटर वेपर्स, वेयरएज इट इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय कैल्शियम क्लोराइड. Second one, you know the sugar color is brown. Sugar is decolorized, means removal of its color with the help of animal charcoal, whereas it is absorbed coloring material. क्या absorb कर रही है ये उसका coloring material? कौन कर रहा है? Animal charcoal. Next is ammonia is absorbed by charcoal, whereas it is absorbed by water. ये किसको एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है? चारकोल को. एंड इट इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय वाटर. नेक्स्ट, गैसेस लाइक हाइड्रोजन आर एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय मेटल्स लाइक निकल, प्लैटिनम, पैलेडियम. दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन. In this, it is a spontaneous process. Spontaneous process, in 11th class you had studied one equation, gives Helmholtz equation. Delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Spontaneous. When it is spontaneous, when delta G is negative, then it is spontaneous. When delta G is positive, then it is non-spontaneous, and when it is zero, then it is equilibrium. So come to the point, delta G is negative, that means it is spontaneous. How? It is always exothermic by decrease in entropy. That means when gases are coming on the surface of liquid or solid, that means they are changing, they are easily liquefiable, easily liquid form में convert होने वाली. इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है, उनकी एंट्रोपी क्या हो रही है, डिक्रीजेस. एंट्रोपी डिक्रीजेस मीन्स नेगेटिवली. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दिस टर्म, टेम्परेचर पर डिपेंड नहीं करती, डिपेंड ऑन दिस टर्म. When it comes negative, when delta H is negative, that is always exothermic. So देखिए, it is always exothermic accompanied by decrease in entropy, that is delta S. Next is our difference between adsorption and absorption. Adsorption, it is a surface phenomenon, and absorption, it is a bulk phenomenon. Adsorbate, accumulated on the surface. In this, the substance getting adsorbed is uniformly distributed throughout the bulk of the substance. पूरे के पूरे में substance में bulk में वो एक जैसा होता है. Rate in this, in starting is high and then decreases till equilibrium is attained. जब तक equilibrium ना आ जाए तो क्या होता रहता है, decrease. Starting में क्या होता है, increase. इसमें रेट क्या होती है, सेम थ्रू आउट द प्रोसेस. दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एडसॉर्प्शन एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.